What's up YouTube? It is the Internet Income Ninja back with another video. Today's video is going to be a pretty exciting one because you're going to be making money online. Before we jump into the video, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment and share for more ways to earn money online. As I was saying earlier guys, today's video is an online job, and it is a senior editor and writer at a company called AppFire. This is a remote job, but they're looking for someone who lives in the United States. Okay, and you will be doing a lot of production for their company, for Atlassian apps. Okay, now a little bit about AppFire. They're going to be sharing more in the description, but just to have a look at what their site looks like. Okay, Atlassian apps that solve big challenges. So they invite you to find your solution, your migration journey, migrate AppFire apps from server to data center or cloud. Our secret sauce at AppFire: we use a simple recipe. We look for the best product builders out there, figure out their needs, take away their annoyances, and encourage them to solve important customer challenges in software ecosystems like Atlassian. Okay, so that's just a little bit of what they do. Lots of programming, lots of different scripts, and so on. Alright, so when you're on this page, just click this link to learn more about the company. So, who are they? We are AppFire, the largest global provider of award-winning Atlassian apps. Our portfolio of trusted product brands includes more than 100 purpose-built apps loved by thousands of teams and millions of users worldwide, amplified by our partnership and strategic investment from private equity powerhouse Silversmith Capital Partners, a recent surge of marquee brand acquisitions, and an additional $100 million investment from TA Associates. AppFire is uniquely poised to accelerate our leadership position within the billion-dollar Atlassian app market. Come be a part of our AppFire family for this amazing journey. Now, the purpose of the job and overview: AppFire is looking for a talented senior editor and writer to lead editorial duties for a content and customer education division spanning all product categories. Your mission will be to write, edit, and orchestrate all educational and product content and to make it readily available to customers. The accelerated interest by AppFire customers and partners in the content and its direct impact on content utilization to assist in product growth will demonstrate your ongoing success. Wow, that was a mouthful. Reporting to the VP of Content and Customer Education, you will work collaboratively with the marketing team as well as other internal teams to write compelling ad copy, blog posts, case studies, how-to guides, email copy, ebooks, landing pages, and more, ranging in tone from promotional to informational to technical. You will work with other marketing specialists to bring that content to life across various digital marketing channels and print media. Now, key accountabilities: participating in construction and management of the AppFire Online Resource Center, creating original content about topics and products relevant to AppFire. This includes writing blog posts, ebooks, how-to articles, etc., all while maintaining and using brand voice guidelines. You'll research content topics and availability online and within AppFire. Write, edit, and rewrite content based on topics and information provided by product managers, product marketing managers, and other colleagues. You'll meet and collaborate with subject matter experts to ensure specialized topics are appropriately addressed. You will collaborate with others in product management and marketing roles to build out an extensive editorial calendar, maintain the editorial calendar availability and deliverables. You work together with the SEO expert to ensure our content goals align and ensuring that all web content is SEO optimized. Other responsibilities as assigned by the VP of Content and Customer Education. So about you, this is what they want you to have, or the qualities they want you to possess. They want you to have a minimum of 3 years of marketing content writing, minimum of 5 years of writing experience. Technical writing experience is a plus. BS in marketing, and that BS means Bachelor of Science. Okay? Not the other BS you might be thinking about. So BS in marketing, communications, business administration, etc. You must be an excellent writer with great attention to details. You must have good technical understanding with technical writing experience, a plus. Experience with content management software and web analytics software. Experience with Atlassian tools is a plus. So why choose a career at AppFire? AppFire is a global company of awesome humans working to help teams all over the world. We believe that bold ideas light the way for builders just like us. Our culture embraces your unique skills while providing a collaborative, diverse environment that thrives on change and growth for the entire AppFire family. At AppFire, innovators are wanted. Okay? And that's it for the lead. So you just hit this button to apply for the job. Alright, and again, this is their website. Basic, but I guess they're trying to focus on what's important, which is getting the content and information across to you. So you're not going to see a glitz and glamour type of page, just simple, straightforward, black background. What they want you to see is highlighted with a splash of color. Alright, and that's them. You can learn more about the company by clicking the About button. So they are an app development company, and they want you to write their content for them. So content for their landing pages, for their blogs, and a host of other like email ads and a host of other types of literature that they want you to write for. So if you are a serious seasoned writer, 5 years of writing experience, Bachelor of Science in Marketing, minimum of 3 years marketing content writing. Even if you don't have all of these credentials in one basket, you have some of them, apply still. They may be looking for someone with talent, not necessarily a buttload of experience. There are some executives and managers who will give someone a chance because they're talented, because they realize that many people who have experience are so set in their ways that it doesn't make sense. Someone who's really set in their ways is hard to train, hard to it's hard to change the direction they're going in. And if you want someone to produce content for you, and they're creating content for themselves or what they're used to, then it doesn't matter, and that leaves the door open for you to apply and get the job. So please apply and get the job, especially you're an internet income ninja. You are above the rest. You need to apply if you qualify. If you have some of these qualifications, still apply. If you don't, share it with your friends. What goes around comes around to you. Okay? Additionally, I want you to check the links in the description below, because maybe working for someone isn't what you want to do. Maybe trying your hand at starting your own business is. And if you are interested, not saying that you definitely want to start your business, but even if you have some remote interest, check the links in the description below. Okay? Lastly, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share this video with everyone. This allows you to be first in line. You have the advantage over everyone else who isn't subscribed. So when the latest money making tactic, lead, how-to information, when the latest drops, you are the first to capitalize on it and rake in the money. So guys, thanks so much for watching. This is your host, the Internet Income Ninja. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please continue to stay safe.